Hold up. You know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna lie. That junk look beautiful, right? Okay, look, listen. I got my feet out. Don't say nothing too crazy. Look, this is what just happened, right? I'm gonna tell y'all what just happened. Give y'all a little rundown, bro. We in Clearwater right now, and it's hard to find a park. I ain't cap. We can't even find a park for nothing. So I would literally, like, so basically we saw a parking spot, right? And basically I had saw this car leave out. So we pull up to try to get, you know what I'm saying, to the car or whatever, or to the parking spot. This girl decided to talking about, you know what I'm saying? What? Is you crazy? So look.
Standing in the middle, bro. Like, we wouldn't run her over.
No cap. So look, this is what we did, right? Me, I don't give a fuck. I'm watching my car now, cause like, you know, people might want to be weird. Me, I don't give a fuck what nobody say. You feel me? I'm gonna get the parking spot. I don't care who you are. So I had pulled up and reversed my junk in that junk. I reversed in there, cause man, well, who is you to tell me I'm not gonna park inside the parking spot? And I'm watching my car right now, cause yeah. And I told her, look, listen, I was like this, shit. Like her boyfriend act crazy. You feel me? I got cell phone. Again, I was gonna beat on them badly. Say no, I'm kidding. I'm trolling. This don't look beautiful though. You about to see the sunset and things of that nature. This sand is, this sand is, but when it's set all the way, word of this sand feels good. Let me tell you. Oh, shit, my feet. This sand don't feel like the Virginia sand. This sand don't feel like Daytona sand. This don't feel like this own sand. You feel me? Like from some, I don't know who, from where. No cap, I ain't gonna lie. You know what I'm saying? This is my first time seeing a sunset in Florida. I have not seen it. I ain't gonna lie, I wanna see it as the water. If this water is really, you know what I'm saying, cold or not. Hold up. Oh, this one is cold. Oh no. But I ain't gonna lie, you know what I'm saying? Seeing stuff like this, like, you know what I'm saying? Actually being out and, oh, it's always on that. Actually being out and seeing stuff like this is actually, you know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna lie. It's very peaceful, you feel me? No yappity. Now, the sun is messed up. It's very peaceful, you feel me? Like, dang, I ain't gonna lie. No yappity. And I'm doing it on Valentine's Day, you feel me, okay? Listen, I ain't gonna lie, I just had recorded this video, right, of this couple, you know what I'm saying? Nice ass couple, you know what I'm saying? Like cute shit, you feel me? Like, no cap. I'm gonna show you real quick. Look right here. Man, what? Man, what? Stop playing. That's what I need in my life, facts. On game. Actually, never mind. I'm not gonna say that. I'm not gonna say that's why I lead in my life, but you know, it goes okay. I ain't gonna lie. Right now, we just leaving. You know what I'm saying, this little area. We only over here for like 10 minutes, probably less than that. But to be honest with you, it's because, you know what I'm saying, the sun has already set. You feel me? And there ain't no reason to still be right here. And plus, I was supposed to get boba before I even. Oh, you can't see me. I was supposed to get boba before I even, you know what I'm saying, did that. You feel me? On game. Yes, you know what it is. On game. Yes. Yes. If you know me, you know. On game. And the juice actually tastes like juice, you feel me? It don't taste like nothing. 12 on the beach, man. Stop playing with them. Let me zoom this out. Zoom the junk out real quick. 12 on the beach, you hear me? On game, like I said, if y'all haven't ate boba before, don't be afraid to try it. It's not nothing scary. I know a lot of people are like, oh, that's fish eggs. No, it's not, bro. I ain't gonna lie, it's just balls with juice, you feel me? Listen. We was supposed to go back to the car, but we decided to go back to the beach. What do you think it is?
Jellyfish?
Oh, that's tough. I ain't never seen this in my life.
Wait, that's a jellyfish.
Let me touch it? Y'all know me, I'm a certified thug. I ain't never seen nothing like that in my life, you feel me? On game. Hold up. I need to get my phone. I need to show my mom. I need to show everybody, you know what I'm saying? Everybody in the world. I never in my life seen nothing like that. But that's what comes with, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, people, y'all gotta go out and explore life, you feel me? Because when y'all do that and explore life and do things, you know what I'm saying, that y'all ain't used to doing, y'all gonna see things that y'all never used to see. Like right now, I'm looking at a jellyfish, you feel me? And I never knew that jellyfish was that big, you feel me?
Smoking on gas, got 5 runs. I got a badass hoe, but she crazy. I'm in the crib with 18 guns. Don't give a fuck what a hoe gotta say.
Man, what's up with y'all, man? I ain't gonna lie. Listen, right now we currently at the muffler shop. You know what I'm saying? You know what we at the muffler shop for, bro? It's not because I ain't getting nothing crazy, you feel me? If y'all know, y'all know. I literally had got, you know what I'm saying? My exhaust tips is bolt-on exhaust tips, you feel me? Those are not it, you feel me? I'm about to get a little surprised, I ain't gonna lie. Actually, should I tell y'all? I don't know, y'all might know about the title already, you feel me? To be honest with you, there's a lot of things I could have done, you know what I'm saying? I could have got my bumper painted, but I decided to get this one specifically for it because upcoming trip that I got going on, you feel me? Decided to get that. So I'm gonna show you how I look right now. The fuck is that? That's a spider? Oh hell no. Got some tips right here. They bolts on, you feel me? See? They ain't even in all the way, you feel me? Hey, to be honest with you, oh, I almost failed. I cannot do that. So therefore, let me turn the brightness back up, bro. I be hating having to turn the brightness up and down every time I hop inside a shady area, bro. If y'all know how to work this camera, let me know how to get that joint automatic. That joint about to piss me off. I'm tired of having, like, you know what I'm saying, that joint, because when I start the car up, you can hear it rattling and stuff like that. And that's like I said, what I'm about to get right now is, you know what I'm saying, is why I need it. But I ain't gonna lie, y'all know about the title already. So yeah, I'm about to get that, you feel me? It's about to be crazy. I ain't gonna lie, I ain't gonna speak on it too much until I actually put it on, but yeah, I might show y'all a little bit when we put it on, but I don't know if I might not show y'all. I don't know. But anyways, I just turned on the camera just to update y'all what I was doing, and yeah. They say he was able to do this. I ain't gonna lie, for a good price too, for actual, I could get my tips on. So he basically says, you see how this wide like this, got a little gap through there? I don't know if y'all seen it earlier, but you kind of see, like, you know what I'm saying? It's not really, like, really fit on a pipe. So basically, since the pipe too little, he gonna add another pipe and basically connect it to this, to where it actually, you know what I'm saying, fit. You feel me? So I ain't gonna lie, that's what I'm about to get. I'm about to get that right. You feel me? So I ain't gonna lie. To be honest with you, know what I'm saying? Yeah, it's gonna come in. It's gonna come better. You feel me? All right, but I ain't gonna lie. No, I'm saying this is my baby right here. You feel me? Y'all already know. I keep saying this is my baby right here. Like y'all don't already know this is my baby right here. But look, basically, let me zoom around real quick. Basically, look, I ain't gonna lie. I got the tips set up good, but they poking. You feel me? They poking though. Yeah, they been poking though. I don't know. In person, it's like way different. You can see it more, but like they poking though. I ain't gonna lie. It's definitely, you know what I'm saying, ready. It's definitely ready for it. And it's on still kind of high, okay? Yeah, I ain't mad. I can't be mad at it. You feel me? I mean, damn. It's nothing I could be mad about. You know what I'm saying? Because, like I said, it's what I wanted. You feel me? But no, like I was saying, I was nervous because there's too much people looking at me though. You feel me? But we is at my favorite place to, you know what I'm saying, ever come at. I ain't gonna lie. This place, like, you see the background, I'm saying, it's a vibe. You feel me? It made me feel like I'm not even, you know what I'm saying, in Florida right now. You feel me? But made me feel like I'm in some, you know what I'm saying, tropical place. You feel me? But yeah, though, I just got me some boba. Yeah, like, if y'all don't eat boba, I'm gonna put y'all on real quick. Get mango or passion fruit. Like, and if y'all don't got these flavors, then I don't know what place you at. You gotta go to a real place. Oh, I dropped my phone. No. But get passion fruit, right? Get passion fruit with mango and popping boba. You know what I'm saying? That joint go crazy. Facts, you gonna fall in love. Package secured on ganger. You know what I'm saying? Look at that. Yo, y'all don't know. I don't know what the ticket says. Dang, you drunk so much. Say no. And I don't even think I uploaded a Tampa video, did I? I don't know. But I'm gonna edit that video and put it together soon. You feel me? Cause I just thought about it. I ain't know. I forgot I had Tampa videos, but I'm gonna get that ready soon. But I'm putting the camera up later on. Alright, whenever something else go on. So yeah, I'll catch y'all later. Where's the word, my guys? I ain't gonna lie. You know what I'm saying? Listen, I know. Look, this right here, this whole thing I'm about to talk about right now is about to be real quick because due to the fact that, you know what I'm saying, I ain't gonna lie. I had this onto my car. You feel me? And I ain't gonna lie. I cannot cap to you, my guy. It's crazy, okay? I'm currently in the Culver's parking lot type, kinda, you know what I'm saying? The heck was that noise? You heard that? I'm currently in the Culver's parking lot condo right now. And what I'm about to do is I'm about to try something out, you feel me? Something that I haven't tried yet, you know what I'm saying? Listen, like I told you, I got my junk poked out, you feel me? And here go the final surprise, you feel me? And I ain't gonna lie, I'm nervous because I'm in the middle of, you know what I'm saying, everything, you feel me? And to be honest with you, I saw a police officer go by too. And I don't know if this is illegal or not, you know what I'm saying, to even be doing this shit, but I might just do it anyway. I'm gonna do a little bit, you know what I'm saying, a little bit of things, you feel me? Say, yeah, I can see this thing, you feel me, on game, you feel me? Stop playing. To be honest, like I said, I'm nervous because for the fact that, you know what I'm saying, I am in public and they are loud and people may think they hear gunshots, you feel me? So I'm nervous, but I'm about to try to do it anyway. You know what I'm saying, with police officers in the area, but they going out, so that means I'm about to, you know what I'm saying, do this real quick, you feel me? On game. Set it like right here, so I can see how far them flames go for real, for real. television is not working. The fuck? I situated and I fixed it. It should be good now. So like I had to look back at the footage and I had seen they only shot one flame, bro. Look, now since I'm recording, it seems like it don't even want to work right. But what I'm about to do, I'm about to just go to another location right now because I ain't gonna lie, security did kick me out. They heard that pop. I said security kicked me out. But I'm about to go to this other location right now and I'm about to just hit it straight. Cause I was tapping it, I was easing on it. I'm about to just rev it once and then, you know what I'm saying, try to see if it'll pop, you know what I'm saying, and do it again and then do it again, you know what I'm saying? So hopefully it do. And I ain't gonna lie, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna have to get out of the area quick because I'm nervous. I'm still new to this, you feel me? Okay, I'm nervous. Alright, so babe, we at a new location right now. And we gotta see if it's gonna work, bro. To be honest with you, cause yeah, I wanna get these flames situated quick. Hey, y'all see this shit, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I gotta post a video, bro. So that's exactly what I'm about to just post, bro. I'm about to just post that, bro. To be honest with you, I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do, honestly. My thing is, I got it and it was working perfectly fine, but I'm also trying to figure out. I'm still trying to understand it. To be honest with you, or to be honest, I think I just ran out of gas because I ain't gonna lie. I did try to do that with an completely empty tank. You feel me? But and and what that basically do is take fuel out of the, you know what I'm saying, you know. But I ain't gonna lie, to be honest with you, I'm done for right now. I'm about to try to push this car over there because the gas is right there. Try to push this car over there, and yeah, I'm gonna. If y'all want to see more with this flame kit, I'm gonna learn more about it. I'm gonna learn how to, like, you know what I'm saying, work with it and stuff like that. Y'all want to see more with it? You know what I'm saying? Let me know. Comment below. I know that's not what y'all expected because of the name of the thing, but you did see a little bit of flames and you do see I installed it. I just don't know how to use it properly, but I'm gonna educate myself and I'm saying lock y'all in. That being said, y'all hit that subscribe button, and that's the end of this video. Facts.